Hi, good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, this session I'm just going to give a. It's going to be a short session. I'm just going to give you some feedback on what we did last week. Okay, so I'll just share my screen. We'll have a look. 1 second.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Now, I hope all of you who are here in the meeting have finished that quiz, which was there in this particular thing. Company specific verbal concepts, Unit 1, Hour 1. Okay, the second hour you need not do now. It's only going to be for next week. Okay, it may be visible for you, but you need to do it only next week. Okay, so this particular thing I hope you have done what I've highlighted. Yes? Yes or no? Have you guys finished it? See, I can see a report over here. I just wanted to tell all of you, just look at this, okay? Now, some of you it says not completed. See, this person Gopi has attended twice. Many people have not completed. Now, why it is showing like that? See, one, you may not have attended the quiz. Second one, if it is showing 100% or 90%, it is this course. But if it shows, see, this person has attended 2 times, this Rupesh. Is Rupesh there? Rupesh is not there. But anyways, just to give you guys an idea, see, if I click on this, I can see which questions he has attended, which questions he is not. Okay. For all of you, it is the same. Just have a look. See, he has not attended some questions at all.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So now the thing is,
Sir,
1 second. Yeah, yeah.
so this is my first class, sir.
If it is your first class, then go to Moodle, go to TR0224, this one, and then do this one. This company specific verbal concepts, Unit 1, Hour 1 in Moodle. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you finish that, and you will also see one more assignment that's called a weekend assignments. In that, you have to do this one, Unit 1, Hour 1
Okay.
assignment. This has only 5 questions.
These are
Oh,
these two I need to complete, sir.
yeah, these two you need to complete. Okay. And for
Okay.
attendance, I
Okay.
will send you one Google form and WhatsApp. You can fill that.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So every
Hmm.
class, I will be sending one Google form. Now, a lot of you have joined only now, but you need to know this. This is going to be a weekly practice. Every week, I will send a Google form with the date. Okay. So please fill that for your Cameo attendance. Now, how I will put attendance is, I will look at that form. I will also look at whether you have done the quiz or not. After that, I will put your attendance in Cameo. And every week, we have been instructed, all faculties have been instructed by the management to put the attendance only on Saturdays. So it will reflect only on Sunday for you. If you don't see your attendance tomorrow, don't get worried. We will be marking only on Saturdays. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. So this is one thing. The main thing, the other thing I was talking about is this report. Uh, where is that? Yeah. See, why it is, why sometimes it shows uh, that you have not completed the quiz, even though you might have attended it. You have to answer all the questions, ma. Just by answering 2 3 questions and then you go to the next one, unfortunately it is showing as not completed. See over here, this guy has attended 2 times. Some questions he's answered, some questions he's not. But the thing is, you need to answer all the questions. Okay. Now, one more thing I want to know, in your Cameo, all of you who have joined this group, this WhatsApp group, does your slot number show this 1M9-1? Do you have this information in Cameo? Or does it just say 0224 and Monday 4 to 5? Can you see the slot name in Cameo? 1M9-1?
No, sir.
You can't see, yeah? Okay, why I'm asking is because there are only about 30 people, 33 people in the WhatsApp group, but in my Cameo it shows around 45 students. I have sent messages in Cameo also to the group with this WhatsApp group link, but I don't know, many students haven't joined. They may have been added recently in Cameo, so in case you have any of your friends who have to join this group, please send them the WhatsApp group link. You guys have my WhatsApp group link, right? Any of your friends want to join, please ask them to join. Okay, please send it across. Now, this is one. Second thing, just hold on. I'll send you the attendance form for today. Just hold on. Okay, so have you guys got that link? I've just sent it in WhatsApp.
Yes, sir, we got.
Okay, so please fill that and don't skip it. Last week also, many of the students didn't fill it. After that, they keep calling me and saying that I filled in the first class. Now, first class link and this link is totally different. Every week, I'll send a link because you can see over here. I'll just show you. Where did that go? Yeah. So over here, you can see August 10 attendance. Okay, so this is particular date. Date is also mentioned over here. Okay, so every week I'll be sending one form. Please make sure that you fill it. Okay. Right. Apart from that, I want to know while attending this particular, while seeing the videos and attending the quiz, do you have any doubts for that? No doubts? All clear, huh? Only message? No, sir. Okay, all clear, no doubts. Okay, fine. So for next week, we'll again have a Moodle class where you'll have to do hour 2. So those details I'll send it to you next week. Okay. Any other questions, any other doubts you have now, you can ask me for today. As far as I am concerned, this is what I wanted to give in terms of feedback. Nothing more than this. If you have any other issues or you're not able to log into Moodle or all those things, just let me know now.